Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to today's episode. Today we're going to be talking about something that most people, parents, siblings take for granted. Do you have children that every time the only thing you remember is the bad things they've done? Every time they get on your nerves because they keep doing the things you don't want them to do. Every time you tell them to do this, they don't do it. And the only thing you remember is all those bad things they've done. All right, let's change the tempo now. Let's make a little difference. You know, when your child was growing up, or is still growing up because it's a child, during that period and stages that they are growing up, you always commend them. If they open their mouth to brush their teeth, you say, "Oh, that's beautiful, keep it up." If they did anything nice, you commend them, say, "Oh, that's good, thumbs up, Baba. Oh, give me a high five." All right. Even when your children are up to teenage age, which is the most wonderful age that any child prays to get to, the wonderful age that you drive your parents to that limit, why don't we change the narrative here? Why don't we apply that same method of commendation? Look at all the good things your teenager, your child is doing and tell them, "Oh my God, you are so great. Oh, I love what you did here today. Oh, I love the way you left the kitchen today. Though the kitchen is untidy, but I love the way that at least you put your plate in the sink. Oh, I love the way your room is looking. Though I know you can do better, but I love the way you arrange your cups on top of there. You heaped your cup on top of there. But it would be nice if you take it out, put it back in the kitchen or, something like that. Oh, I love the way you were shouting today. It would be so nice if your voice was a clarinet or a trumpet. It's going to bring a flush of joy, happiness into the child's mind, into the child's life. If you continue doing this, then you chip in what you want to chip in. Gradually, they have this sense of being. They have this sense of belonging. Yes, you might say it's my child, so I take care of my child. It has a sense of belonging in the family. I know. But let's take, for instance, a teenager. A teenager is at a stage of their life that they believe that they know it all. Yes, they know it all at their own level. But as a parent, as a carer, as someone who is an adult taking care of a teenager, you get into your teenager's room and the room is sparkling clean with dirt. You get into your teenager's room, the room is sparkling clean with a lot of used cups, a lot of used plates. You get into your teenager's room, the room is sparkling very clean with everything littered on the window. We can convert this into something positive. Oh my God, your window is so littered that if you leave it here, Mars will come in. Why don't you take the things one after the other? If we gradually leave positive marks into their life, they will do this. Yet, no matter how wonderful your teenager is, sometimes their room gets mucky. Sometimes their room gets, roomy, and they don't have enough space again. No matter how good your child is, or let's say, no matter how bad you feel your child is, there are still some positive things your child does that need commendation. So why don't you start from there? They don't wake up early in the morning. You say, oh, do you know that the last time you woke up early, I so much enjoyed having you, at least even if it is 5 minutes before you run to school. They don't want to come down from their room. Oh, do you know I missed you today? Do you know that coming down sometimes we just have a chat? It would be so nice to have you down sometimes. Leave the wrong signs that they've all been doing. Start with the positive signs that they are doing. With time, if you chip in those positivities, you are putting in something into their life that they will remember. There's one funny thing that I keep hammering on to parents when I talk to parents. If you keep telling your child to do this, at a certain age, they will want to rebel. This is what every teenager discusses. Rebelling against their parents is a natural phenomenon. So if your child starts a rebelling attitude, please don't match fire with fire. Match fire with good equipment of water and some soluble solutions. You know, the firefighters fight fire, but they don't fight fire by throwing in gas. So, you know, when you throw in gas into fire, you know what that means. So if you get angry with your children, just step back, look at them, remember the good thing they've been doing, remember the good things they have done. Use those good things to match them. Find a way around your child. But before they get into that stage of teenage, please build a lasting relationship with them. Get to know them. Let them know you. Let them understand you. The family legacy will continue. But don't let them make mistakes before they are able to get to the point of holding the family legacy. They will be good ambassadors of you once they go outside your house. So don't kill yourself sometimes when you tell them to do things and they don't do. If they go out, they will definitely represent your home. Bottom line is this: find the things that your children are doing right. Use that to commend them. Don't always look at the negatives. Don't always look at the bad things that they do. There are some good things in their lives. Use that. Till next time I come your way, this is Loveday and I'm saying thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Leave a comment if you want anything to be treated. We treat things in the common sense way. If you want anything to be treated, you can either drop it at the comment section or click on the About on the channel page, send an email. We will treat all emails and queries with confidentiality that it deserves. Thank you once again for watching. Have a nice day and goodbye. Remember, your home is your treasure, and treasures don't come easy. You must look for them. You must, treat them well. You must hammer on them. Gold, silver, it's not easy to get. It passes through fire. So the fire you're passing through today means that at the end of it, you are going to be a good product. Are you a child watching this? Mommy, daddy also need spaces. Mommy, daddy also are humans. If you keep pushing them, you might push them to the point of no return. But remember, daddy, mommy loves you. That is why they go the extra mile to make sure that you're fine. Dear parents, dear brothers, dear sisters, chip in kind words to your little ones, and they will definitely hear you. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Goodbye.